Welcome to Super Cute Dog 7. There's the dog. And he doesn't want you to miss the end. Or else you'll miss the fun surprise at the end. Look, it's him. Just him. Wait. Wait. Did I just hear Rickroll? That was something weird. Huh? Wait. Is he turning into Screaming Luigi? I think he's turning into Screaming Luigi. Yes, he's turning into Screaming Luigi. Oh no, and they're in different kinds of, wait, it's actually it. What's happening? Wait, he's actually doing it. No! In different voices. No! Why did this happen? This is the most baddest thing to happen. Whoa. He's transforming back. Ew, he's back. The original one. Okay, here's the fine one. As long as he doesn't transform again. Wait, I think he's gonna transform again. I think he is. Yeah, he's gonna transform again. This is bad. No. No! He turned into Baldi getting a cousin. Wait, no! He's bad. Into normal. He's back to normal. What's going on? Okay, he's getting up. I wonder what he's doing. Don't tell me, what are you doing? It's a video. Don't pee on camera, Toby. Okay. I think he's fine. Wait, no. He's about. No. What happened? He's back to this. What's happening? What just happened? He turned back into this. No, not again. did. Not again. Not again. Not again. He turned into Shaggy. No. 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 Whoa, he's transforming back. There he is. Wait, I think he's gonna transform again. Whoa. When he turned into Shaggy, his... Oh no! He's gonna turn into something else! Oh no! Get it back! Uh-oh. What just happened? Wait, what's happening? Ah! What was that? All of that nonsense. He's transforming again. Oh, shake Speedy. It's shaking. It's shaking. Not again. Whoa, 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 whoa! No, 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 no! Not again! He's back in his normal original cage. No, he's transforming once again. No! No, no, he turned into Crazy Bird. Here's the fun thing that was going to be found at the end. Here's the fun thing that was going to be found at the end. Ha! Got you!